that part of the country, and it's always great to see a different piece of a different culture, especially contributing to our great parade here on Fifth Avenue. And they have a wonderful sound. It's a very unusual sound. They play slightly different pipes, but it's a beautiful sound. Let's listen to it. There's a little different cadence to the way it's played. The beat is slightly different, and it doesn't have that shrill that, the bagpipes were for leading the chieftains into war. It doesn't have that shrill that you can imagine being on a war field on a dark night, and all of a sudden over the hill comes 50 bagpipers. They would scare the living daylights out of you. Never mind want to fight, you'd want to run.
I think that they're sweeter because there are a lot of women playing them.
Yes, and they're sweeter, and their costumes are beautiful, aren't they? Beautiful. And I just want to say hello to all the people in Ireland and all over the world.